Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info. In front of me Epson XP-8700, and I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable auto power on this device. So firstly you should click settings, then find here basic settings, and here find scroll down firstly, and then find auto power on. Auto power on, and here click enable. So what auto power on is? So this feature enables the printer to turn on automatically when a print job is sent. So when this printer is disabled or when it's on sleep mode, it will automatically awake when you will print something using AirPrint on your iPhone, for example, or Android device. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you!